So my dad and I spend a lot of time out in his shop doing different things, and we got a plastic welding gun. I had never heard of it. My dad had, so he helped me with the review because he knew what he was doing, and so I was learning from him. It does come in this nice plastic case. It does have the actual welding gun that plugs into the wall, so it's not a battery. You do need a wall outlet. Then it comes with all the different rods and the different size staples that you need to do what you're trying to put back together. So we decided to go with this size staple right here. And so he just put it into the two probes sticking out of the welding gun. And then we found this plastic piece. My son is always wrecking his four-wheelers, so we needed to repair one of these fenders. So once you put it into the probes, you will count to 10 as you pull the trigger. That's what worked for us the best to heat it up. And then we put it onto the plastic and we counted to 10 again. So 10 seconds when we pulled the trigger to warm it up, and then 10 seconds to put it into the plastic to, weld it back together. So then we repeated it with two more of the pieces just so it covered the whole tear of the fender. And then once it was done, those little pieces we snipped off, and then we were going to use this accessory or this attachment right here. But we did notice that some of the staples were sticking out still, and they were really sharp, so we decided to grind them off. So we got the attachment screwed on so we could use it, and then we used one of those rods and we just kind of fused it or welded it all together just so it was, covered up more of the cracks and the pieces and everything. So once we were done with that, we gave it a quick sand on the front, and I can really tell you that it looks so much better than I thought it would. We did get this for free in exchange for our honest and unbiased review, and I can definitely tell you that we will get a whole lot of use out of this with everything that my son is always cracking. So definitely a thumbs up for this. If you're on the fence about getting it, I would recommend it.